What's up, guys? How's everybody doing today? James Fred with Daelyte Media Concepts. Listen, man, y'all gotta excuse my voice. I've been under the weather, not feeling very well at all. But I had to get this video done today. It's another Find Us Friday, man. We're gonna keep this thing going every single Friday. Whew. Man, y'all gotta excuse my voice. I don't even know how this audio is gonna turn out, but whatever. All right, first, man, before I get started today, I want to give a shout out to the lady who inspired me to do this. She has a YouTube channel. Her name is Feasting Girls. She does a Who's Missing Wednesday, man, and watching her do that really inspired me to do this. And she also did a video on human trafficking. And once again, like I said before, it's an issue that I think we all need to take note on and take more awareness of what's going on around us. But definitely want to shout her out, man. Y'all go check out her channel. She's a mukbanger, so while she's, doing her Who's Missing, she's eating and talking and doing some other things, man. But it's really, really dope. So I need y'all to go check that out, all right? All right, so let's get into it this week. Let me put my eyes on so I can see. And once again, man, we're doing, I'm doing black female children that are missing because once again, man, I think that they just don't get the media attention that I believe they deserve. All right, but let's get into it. All right, the first one is Chania Anderson. She's been missing since May 8th, 2019 from Chicago, Illinois. She's 16. The next one is Dejanay Anthony. Been missing since October 19th, 2019 from Cincinnati, Ohio. She is 14 years old. The next one is Karen Anderson. She's been missing since March 24th of 2018 from Walkersville, Maryland. Her age now is 8. The next one is Kayla Arrington, missing since September 16th, 2019 from Houston, Texas, and she is 16. Just real quick, guys, if you hear some kind of hollering in the background, man, that's my cat. I got him locked up in the room because if not, he'll be all in the cameraman and jumping all on me, and I just ain't with that today. All right, the next one is Sadija Anderson, missing since September 18th, 2019 from Bowling Green, Virginia. Her age is 17. Next is Superior Avery, missing since June 28th, 2018 from Glendale, Arizona, age 17. The next one is Simone Anna, missing since November 17th, 2019 from Los Angeles, California, age 17. Next is Zamira Banks, missing since October 30th, 2019 from Henderson, Nevada. Her age is 15. Now, this next one was sent to me by my sister. She got a report or something about this young lady here. Her name is Deja Braddox. She's missing from Brooklyn, New York, and she's 14. She was last seen on November 28th, so you guys keep your eye out. If anybody from New York is watching this, pay attention to that. So listen, guys, once again, I gotta say that this is really, really important. This is something that we gotta take, and pay attention to. These kids are missing. These families are hurting. And it's a big deal. It's a real big deal. And we gotta treat it like it's a big deal. We gotta keep our eyes open, man. We gotta teach our kids how to be safe. We gotta, make sure we're being aware of our surroundings all the time. Ladies, please, 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 I cannot reiterate this enough, man. Do not go out here thinking because you got your little pistol and your mace and all that everything is going to be cool. You got to take this stuff seriously. You got to understand, man, that these people know that. So they're coming up with tactics to disarm you. They're coming up with tactics to get you to let your guard down. And they're dependent on the fact that they know that you think because you have this stuff that everything is going to be cool. It's not, all right? Listen, this human trafficking and this sex trafficking thing is big money for these people. They're making a lot from it. You got, I heard a story, and I don't know if it's really true, but I heard a story about, a boyfriend that sold his girlfriend, for some money because he was in debt, needed some. I guess he owed some people some money and knew how much money he could get from this human trafficking thing, man. So the dude set his girlfriend up. Now, like I said, I don't know if that's a true story or not. I wasn't able to do any research on it, but it don't seem too far out of the ordinary, man. Money makes people jump for real. So just always be aware of your surroundings, man. Always understand that there's people out here looking and watching. You don't ever know anything, all right? So listen, man, I want you guys, man, to like this. I want you to subscribe to the channel. I want you to share the channel out, okay? And this ain't about me, man, just trying to blow up on YouTube or nothing. This is about awareness. You don't know who may have seen these people. You don't know who may have watched it, man. So it doesn't take a second but to just share it out. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys watch the video, watch it a few times. Keep your eyes open. Make sure you go over to Feasting Girl's channel. Check out her Who's Missing Wednesdays. Look at those people, see if you've seen any of those people, man. And I think together we can find these people, and then we can stop this human trafficking and the sex trafficking stuff all together. You know what I'm saying? I believe just that hard, right? So listen, I'm going to cut this one off, man, make it short. I will see you guys next Friday with another Find Us Fridays, all right? Peace.